Hi, how are you doing? Today we are going to learn a round shaped handwriting for the Arabic language. Let's start the writing from the top. All right. You can see this tile is little bit round shape. You can see here, right? So we're going for the another lines. This is another small line, and we're moving to the next line. Now we are moving to the last line, as you can see here. So this is the last line. Okay. All right, so the handwritings here, you can see this is a significantly different style than other handwritings. In this writing, it's kind of a nice art or drawing, you can say. It has a name, Arabic calligraphy. So this is not actually calligraphy, this is different handwriting style, but it looks good, right? Looks good. So the main thing is that what style you just follow. I'm not a language specialist, but I'm just trying to say that if you follow the same formation, same style, then the writing, this is going to be very good. It's going to look good. People are going to say many good things about it. So I hope you like the video. Thank you so much. And one more thing, if you follow the playlist in this channel, you can see the different albums or the different segments, and the each type of drawings or each type of writings, those are in a collections in a single albums. That's why the different playlists they have. So if you follow the playlist, then it is going to be easier for you to find out which part or which style or which drawings you are going to learn, which writing style you are going to follow. That's it. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel, and next we are going to bring more interesting videos. Thank you so much. Have a good day.